G'day, Oz ADV Rider. In this video I'm going to be replacing the headlight on my custom V-Strom 650. Now I used to like this little round headlight when it was mounted up on the original V-Strom Forks, but since I've put the WR front end on, it doesn't quite look right. And on my recent high country trip, the bike took a bit of a swim in the river and the glass on the headlight cracked, so it needs replacing now. So I come across this on eBay. This is a aftermarket WR headlight, LED, looks pretty fancy. 130 bucks. We'll see how that goes. Now it's supposed to fit all WRs, but I think it's more for later models. These triple clamps are off an 06 WR, and it seems to be an odd year, that one. Whenever I look up parts and accessories, they go up to 05 or they go from 07 and up. So there doesn't seem to be much available for the 06, but anyway, we'll see what we can do. So we've got a headlight. We've got this 4-pin plug here. Comes with this little adapter. It looks like it plugs this straight into a normal light socket. This extra wire would be for the day running light, I think it is. I don't know if I'll use that. It also comes with these rubber straps. You can strap it to your forks. And it comes with some instructions which aren't very helpful at all. Hopefully it fits on there without too much drama. You never know how accessories are going to fit when you have a custom motorcycle. Things just interfere with each other and cause problems. So we'll get the old headlight off and have a look. So I'm not quite sure where I'm going to mount the blinkers yet. I may need to make some mounts for those. There we go. Still bits of glass rattling around in there. Yeah, the globe absolutely shattered. I don't know if you'll see the cracks, it's too dirty. There's a big crackle on there, down there. Anyway. Now, what I'll do is just plug this in, make sure it works to start with. Oh, nice. High beam. No. So low beam should be just the top one, and high beams both. That is switched onto low beam, and that is switched to high beam, so I've got to swap some wires around by the looks of it. Rightio, I swapped 2 wires around, plug it in again, see how we go. So low beam, high beam, that looks better. Nice, now we just got to make it fit. Righto, we'll get rid of this one, start trying to mount up the new one. Righto, headlight is on. I just made up these little tabs here, one either side. I used the blinkers as bolts and I've bolted it down to the guard. I don't know if that's how WR450s are mounted, but I know 250s are mounted like that. Yeah, do I want that? Yeah, just there I reckon. Let's have a look, see what this light looks like in the dark. Ooh, that's a lot brighter. That's low beam, high beam. The sun is just starting to come up, but I think we'll get a good idea of what that light's like. I'll go down a street that's not lit up. That's heaps better, look at that. Oh, speed up. Yeah, that's way better than that old light. Righto, we'll go down here. It should be nice and dark. low beam, there's high beam. That's really good. Yeah, really happy with the light. It looks heaps better. From my riding position, it looks better. I'm not seeing that headlight sticking out. And I found it off-putting when I was turning and it stayed straight. Beautiful. Righto, I'm going to turn back around. I probably should go to work. It's nice having that light go with you too. Doing a U-turn, I can see where I'm going. Yeah, for $130, I'm really impressed with that. I'll put a link below where I got it from. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.